Today we're going to show you the biggest and most shocking watch releases in 2023. First, we need to start with arguably the craziest watch release from this year, the $20 million Jacob & Co. Billionaire Timeless Treasure. This watch, if you can even call it one, is set with 425 yellow diamonds that took 3.5 years alone just to source. The craftsmanship on this piece is just out of this world, to say the least. You'd need a pair of shades just to look at the thing. Next up, we have a watch from the biggest watch brand of recent years, Rolex. They shocked everyone at this year's Watches and Wonders with a new colorful Rolex day-date puzzle that comes in white, yellow, and Everose gold. This new design is meant to represent life and its different moments. Even the day and date wheels were replaced with positive affirmations and emojis. Moving on, we have a watch that got the whole watch world talking. It's called the Blancpain X Swatch Scuba 50 Fathoms watch. It honors the brand's first diver watch, which was released 70 years ago. This modern, funky-looking version comes in 5 different colors, with each one representing a different ocean around the world. Next up are 2 watches from a brand that's always pushing the boundaries of watchmaking. Audemars Piguet released their latest collaboration with Marvel, this time by way of a Royal Oak concept Spider-Man. Their most recent release also left everyone surprised when they announced a collaboration with controversial celebrity and rapper Travisscott. The watch was nothing but stunning, though. It's a Royal Oak open-worked perpetual calendar that's made in a new brown ceramic and has special details on it that relate to the artist's Cactus Jack brand. Lastly, we have a timepiece from the prestigious Patek Philippe. They released a dazzling new Aquanaut loose rainbow minute repeater. Although it may look aftermarket, the watch is precisely factory set with over 300 gems that make up a rainbow. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, as well as comment.